Ever wondered how people make money from ASMR or ambient videos? I used to be confused too, until I saw channels earning thousands every month from simple rain sounds or soft whispers. One ASMR channel has over 2 million subscribers and makes between $7,000 and $25,000 per month. Another ambient video got over 60 million views in 3 years. That's the power of relaxing content. ASMR stands for Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response. It includes whispering, tapping, eating sounds, or calming nature audio. What's amazing is you can create this content without showing your face or spending much money, and still make serious income. Take ASMR Darling, for example. She mixes relaxing roleplays and soundscapes to help people sleep. Or SAS ASMR, known for eating sounds, she earns up to $35,000 a month, and possibly more from affiliate links and merchandise. Here's how you can get started. First, find high-quality visuals. Use free footage from sites like Unsplash, Pexels, or Pixabay. Look for peaceful scenes, beaches, forests, rain on windows, or a fireplace. These videos usually stick to one calm visual for the whole duration. Next, choose the right audio. Go to Free Sound, Epidemic Sound, or Artlist. Pick natural, soothing sounds like rainfall, ocean waves, or gentle wind. Keep it simple and relaxing. Then, edit your video. Use beginner-friendly tools like iMovie, Canva, CapCut, or DaVinci Resolve. Match your audio with your video. If your clip is short, loop it to create a 1 to 10 hour video. Longer videos mean more watch time and more ads. Now, monetize it. YouTube ads are a key income stream. Longer videos allow for multiple ads, increasing your earnings. You can also include affiliate links for products like white noise machines, weighted blankets, or headphones. Every sale earns you a commission. As your channel grows, you can sell digital products like downloadable audio, or merch like calming art prints and candles. Platforms like Patreon or YouTube memberships let fans support you for bonus content. Eventually, brands may approach you with sponsorships, especially if you're in the wellness or sleep niche. To grow fast, post consistently. Use tools like vidIQ to find the best keywords, titles, and descriptions to help YouTube recommend your videos. And consider collaborations to boost your reach. In short, making ASMR and ambient content is one of the easiest and most peaceful ways to build passive income. With simple tools, free resources, and consistency, you can start today and turn relaxing sounds